let's turn it over to meteorologist Christina Edwards with what we can expect. Christina.
Yeah, it was beautiful today. In fact, it was one of those days where I really wish I worked outside because 69 degrees in December, you cannot beat that, with the exception of perhaps 75. This is the record high from back in 1990. Now, all good things must come to an end. Notice how we do have rain moving in off in the distance, but this is a stationary front, which means that it's not going anywhere anytime soon. It is blocked by all this warm southeasterly winds that we are seeing, bringing us all this warm weather here in North Alabama. But unfortunately, this is going to move on out of the way, and eventually we're going to see some very strong weather moving in too. In fact, as the stationary front essentially dissipates, this low really gets cranking and it brings a warm front into North Alabama, followed by that cold front. That lets you know that, yes, we mean some serious business with regards to the weather moving in. What kind of business? Well, we're talking about some very strong winds. In meteorology, we call this the low-level jet. What that means is that all these white arrows that you see coming from the south to the north, these are 75+ mile-per-hour winds 1 mile above the ground, but it translates to 60 mile-per-hour winds down here at the surface. So that's why we're anticipating the possibility of some wind damage for Thursday night into Friday morning. I'm going to show you exactly when and where. That's coming up in just a few minutes.
Christina, thank you. The Colbert County